Weather on the way, but first, research is underway at UTRGV to see if crops can be made more drought resistant.
Channel 5's Christian Von Pricing has all the details, all new at 10.
This research focuses around sorghum. They take the seed off this plant and they put it in here. And as it's germinating, they replicate drought conditions that are going to stress the plant. And then they look at the plant at the cellular level to figure out how it works. Across the valley, our water supply continues drying up. Farmers are still rationing water. And here at this garden, growers are adapting.
We need to focus on crops that have a low demand of water.
Fabrizio Pilco is a student studying agroecology at this plot at UTRGV, studying how to make the soil more productive. In the summer months, drought, pests, and disease push these plants to their limits.
The immune system of us, when we get low immune system, we're more prone to get diseases, right? It's the same with the plants.
Across campus at UTRGV and this lab, new grant funding is at work in the hopes of improving the crops that we use.
Corn, rice, wheat.
What's called cereal crops, says Professor Manohar Chakrabarti. They're studying the sorghum plant because they know it's resistant to heat.
Since sorghum is relatively tolerant to drought and heat, our long-term goal is to compare that with other stress-susceptible species like corn or rice.
Dr. Chakrabarti says they'll go beyond existing research on the sorghum plant, which already documents what the plant does when it grows and replicates its DNA. This new research will focus on how the DNA and the genetic system replicates.
Let's say if I find a gene that can be useful, then it's very easy to track that gene in rice or corn. And then you can manipulate or you can modify those particular targets.
He says techniques called molecular breeding or gene editing could be the key. Targeting specific parts of the genes of those plants, they can be modified to make them more heat tolerant. And emerging new technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 are making that possible.
I think that will change agriculture within next few years.
At UTRGV, a grant is at work, and researchers hope to transform agriculture altogether. Christian Von Pricing, Channel 5 News.